Good evening, everybody. 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. And give you the time here. It's 9:07 Eastern Time on Sunday, July the 6th. Good evening to you all. It is my pleasure to present this completely free bonus box of 2010-11 Panini Dominion. This is the good one, the wooden one. So this was a random team. This is a random team break. So we drew the teams yesterday, and here are the results. There was one trade, so I'll go through that. And here's the roster. Bummer Boy, you have a lot. The Kings, Canadians, Avalanche, Rangers, Ducks, Blues, Flyers, Stars, Predators, Sabres, Panthers, Devils, and you got your Edmonton Oilers via a big-time trade. Devilish Demon, you have the Detroit Red Wings. DJ Nell's Mommy, you have the Jackets and Hurricanes. Downtown, you are the beneficiary of the big trade for the Edmonton Oilers. You give up the Oilers for the Sharks, Sens, Flames, Coyotes, Capitals, and the Islanders. Hopefully I got that right. Bruins goes to Golfnut. Paul P123PC, you have the Wild. Real Kennedy has the Penguins. Steve Off 88, you have the Blackhawks. War Machine, you have the Lightning and the Canucks. And thank you very much from Bummer Boy. He made a couple of gifts to myself and to Teak643. He gifted the Jets and he gifted the Jets to Teak643 and gifted the Leafs to myself. So I thank you very, very much for that. So if I pull anything big for the Leafs, there will definitely be some compensation in your next package. So I thank you very much, Bummer Boy. That was quite the gift. Thank you very much. Okay, so here's the serial. This has been a long time coming. 058. Took me quite a while to get the actual box. 058. That's posted on the forum. Took me a while to bring out the box from the States. And it took a while to fill. Alright, here we go. Now, I haven't opened up this stuff in a long time, so I think this slides out quite nicely like so. Now, I'm going to get a little razor blade and cut that because I don't want to scratch the box. I can find my little razor blade. There it is. Like so. Alright. And now, yes, I do remember, the patented crack. Checklist. That crack is actually the back seal breaking. I found that out. Alright. Here we go. I believe this is a 8 cards, 6 monster hits. I hope it's 6 monster hits. Come on now. Empty. And we'll open it up as packaged. Like so. Okay. Sorry, I'm savoring the moment. I got a bad habit of doing that instead of ripping into everything like a madman. Okay, first off, we have a base card for the Colorado Avalanche. It is Erik Johnson. That is numbered out of 199. Come on. Well, it's not out of 199. Focus ain't working. Next up, for the Ottawa Senators, one of the traded teams, we have an autograph of Jim O'Brien. That'll be rookie autograph, hard signed. number 142 out of 199. All right, and wow, I definitely owe something for Jack in his next box, because this is fantastic. I got a pen pals here, Curtis Joseph and Felix Potvin for the Leafs. So wow-wee. Thank you very, very much, Jack, and there will be compensation in your next package for that. That is awesome. Don't have that one, and that is number 6 of 50. I don't think I have. Personally, I don't think I have a Felix Potvin autograph anywhere. So thank you very much. Next up, for the San Jose Sharks, we have Jumbo Joe, jersey auto, Joe Thornton. And San Jose was one of the traded teams. Ooh, they're one of the traded teams. That is property of Downtown. Number 6 of 50. And we have a 1 of 1. And Jack is going to get really mad. For the Phoenix Coyotes, we have a 1 of 1 plate. Plate autograph. Number 1 of 1 of Chris Summers. Whoever the heck that guy is. That is a 1 of 1 plate for the Phoenix Coyotes. I guess that would be the black plate. I think I can hear Jack's head beating against the wall now. Jim O'Brien and Chris Summers. Yep. Oh, Downtown's here. Right on. Next up, for the St. Louis Blues, David Backes, jersey, out of 99. There you go, 79 for St. Louis. St. Louis is Bummer Boy, so there you go. Next up, for Bummer Boy, the Los Angeles Kings, we had a nice patch. Nameplate patch. Nameplate patch of Anze Kopitar. Says nameplate. Had a short printed at 25. 23 to 25. So I think Chuck might, our resident LA fan, might be interested in a trade for that one. All right, this one we're going to have to look up. It is a redemption. Rookie signatures number 159. Rookie signatures number 159. What is number 159? I think this is for Boston. Number 159. Oh, sorry. Is Zach Hamill. Is that Boston? I'll look that one up. If it is for Boston, that is for GolfNut. So I'll have to verify that one. So that is unofficially for Boston. Oh, my memory serves. How about that? For the Pittsburgh Penguins and the Real Kennedy, we have a Tom Barrasso jersey, retired, out of 99. It's nice. 5-hole Barrasso. And finally, we have a base card for the Detroit Red Wings. And Detroit is Devilish Demon, Pavel Datsyuk. All right, that is out of 199. So, I guess we got a couple of verifications that this 159 Zach Hamill. Again, I'll show you the card again. Rookie signatures number 159. And we got number 159 here. I'm not sure if it'll show on the video or not. Zach Hamill for Boston. Okay, So that is the break of Dominion. So thank you very much. That was one of my that is one of my premium customer appreciation break, and I'll have to set up another one of these. Might not be Dominion, might be something else, but anyway, I thank you very much. I thank you very much for your support of 643boxbreaks.com, and I hope to see you in the next break. Many auctions, many buy it nows, many multis, many pretty much every format that's out there we do. So anyway, thanks a lot. 643boxbreaks.com. World class. Bye-bye now.